talk about how can you enable light theme on your or that theme on your Pocket option app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on theme here, just click on it. So when you click here on theme, it's going to show for you list like this here. Click here on blue theme here. When you just click here on blue theme, so then automatically it's going to change with you to blue theme like you see now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.